Uy, nasira. Temporary fix muna natin. Alright. Alright guys, time to fix. Kailangan to i-replace. So temporary, binuksan ko lang muna yung shutter window para lang ma-open. Pero, need to fix this one. Ma-replace yung holder. Okay. Siyala, we will fix this holder and return it back to the shutter. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.